Hey guys, I am about to make a cake. I've been craving a cake, and I have not been happy with the quality of the cakes that I've been getting. And my husband was like, "Why don't you make a cake?" And I was like, "You know what? Why don't I make a cake? I know the cakes that I want. I know the cakes that I love." I will be making Betty Crocker Rainbow Chip, and loving this frosting with it, guys. When I say this frosting is a killer, oh my god, guys, I love it so much. I've been loving it since I've been young. I only make it every now and then because this is so good that I don't be knowing how to stop. That's why you guys know I don't eat sweets as much, but when I have a taste for sweets, I always eat them. Anytime you have a taste for something, eat it, because if you don't, you go feel deprived and you go eat all this other mess. That's how I am. So, but anyway, I already looked at the back of the cake. We're going to be making a box cake, yes. It say that we'll be needing 1 cup of water and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil and 3 eggs. I already got the eggs right here. This is the 1/3. We're going to put it inside of here. And I have my cup of water. So let's go ahead and add everything up. I do have a mixer, but it did say you can be able to use your hands too if you want to. But I'll be using the mixer. So let's go ahead and get her open. And guys, when I say I love this, it tastes so much different than the sprinkle ones. I love the rainbow chip. Okay. And I always like to put my eggs in the side of a container before you try to do it over this mix, because you don't want to make a mistake and some eggs fall inside of your mix. That would be the worst, like for real, for real. And you just clean up as you go. I already greased my cupcake tin. I do have a cupcake tin, and I'm not going to be making all of the cupcakes. I don't even need all of them. I'm just going to be making 4, and I'm going to throw the rest of the mix away. I don't have anybody else, guys, that likes sweets but me. And I know if I keep this whole cake, I'll eat the whole cake. And like I said, if you are depriving yourself of things, sometimes just make a little bit and throw the rest away, or buy it, eat a little bit, and throw it away. That's what I do, okay? And it's been working. It's better than me not eating it at all. Okay, so guys, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and pour in the water. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and pour in the eggs. And like I said, guys, I'm gonna be cleaning up as I go. Here is a 1/3. We're gonna put 1/3 canola oil. I just use canola oil. I wish though, y'all, that I had some Pam, because I would have put that inside of the cupcake tin, but I don't. So I just used some oil and just rubbed it around the cupcake tin. Never just put any of the plates in there without putting some oil on it. Again, these are big cupcakes, so that's even more perfect. If you want to make a cake, you use a cake, you use your baking sheet. But again, guys, I'm going to be using cupcakes. Go ahead and make sure that you get all your ingredients out first before you even start. Also, go ahead and get your oven turned on. Your oven should be turned on. Read the back of your instructions, because every company cake is different. Okay, so let's go ahead and use the blender, y'all. I can't even tell you, I mean, a blender. The beaters. I have not used these beaters in God knows when, like for real. And the thing that I used to like about it, when my mom used it, after we got done, we get to eat the beater. And that's what I do now. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on low. And just mix it up, get it nice and creamy. And like I said, if you don't have a mixer, you can use a big spoon. That works too. So go ahead, let me go ahead and get it mixed up, and I'll be back. And make sure, guys, when you are mixing, you still using your spoon. Go around the edges and all that good stuff, and then continue to beat. Always make sure you do that, okay? And like I said, do it everything clean, guys. We are doing everything clean. Okay, so let me do a little bit more mixing. And let me show you a tip. When you are lifting up your beater, instead of letting you take it everywhere, lift it slowly and then turn it off. Again, lift it slowly and then turn it off. That's a tip, so cake won't get everywhere. And look, guys, we got the beater. I'm going to eat the beater. I love the beater. So I'm going to go ahead and get these cupcakes. Hold on, I want to show you guys something. I'm going to go ahead and get these cupcakes poured inside of here. Look how pretty this batter is. I don't want to pour it out. That's so beautiful. So beautiful. I love it. So just do it until it's nice and thick. Guys, who remember eating the beater? I used to love it. Post below, guys, if your mom used to let you eat. Sorry. Post below if your mom used to let you eat the beater. Okay, guys, go ahead and give it a good stir. And now we're going to put it inside of the cupcake tin or pour it inside of your baking sheet. Okay, again, make sure you have Pam inside of it or some kind of oil so it can get out easily. All right. Okay, now I'm going to put this inside here and just pour it in there slowly. Not hard at all. Shouldn't make a mess. Don't make a mess. We're not in the field of making a mess. And like I told you guys, I'm going to fill up 4 only because I do not need to eat. My husband, he is not really a sweet person, and I will be the one eating all this because I love this. So you just use a big spoon and just do it gently. And if you make a mess, just pick it up before you cook it. You know, get it all the cake batter because you don't want it to smell like it's burning because of cake batter being on it. I hope everybody is having a beautiful day. And just one time, guys, make one of your kids a homemade cake. You'll be so amazed. Even though it's in a box, it still could taste better than when you go purchase it. And to me, it just give it an extra little love also. So I've got one more to fill, y'all. And be gentle so you won't be making no mess. And like I said, let your kid eat the batter because I remember us doing that when we was young. Okay, guys, we are done. Again, like I said, I made a little mess right here. I'm going to pick that up. Read the back of the instructions. The instructions said cook this for 350. Depending on what you cooking it with. I have like I said, muffin tin. So again, read it and it'll tell you the difference between the cake pan, the muffin tin, and all that good stuff. But with my muffin tin, it's telling me to cook it on 350 for 13 to 18 minutes. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it 18 minutes, check it, stick a toothpick in it, and if the toothpick still have cake on it, then you know it's not done and you need to put it back in the oven. That's a tip too, okay? Now what you're going to go ahead and do is once you get these in the oven, go ahead and clean up all your mess because we clean up as we go. And guys, go ahead and take this time to make sure that you guys please press subscribe, follow, and comment. I would love for you guys to comment. That's how my videos get seen more. Okay, thanks guys. Like I told you, stick this toothpick inside of here. Let's see if it's done. If some cake batter come off on a toothpick, that means it's not done. And it kind of did, guys. So I'm going to let it cook for maybe about a good 2 more minutes. Yeah. About a good 2 more minutes. That's a tip. Check it that way. If you have cake batter on your toothpick, that means it's not done. Give it a little bit of extra time. Okay, guys, they are all done. I'm going to let them cool. And then probably for about a good 2 to 3 hours. Make sure they're super cool because you don't want the frosting to melt. And I'll be frosting it with my favorite rainbow chip. And I'll come back with the end results. Let me know, guys, if you make this. And you could be able to make it whatever your heart fancy. Okay, again, you can make your cake or you can make you some cupcakes like I did. Okay, be blessed, guys. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe for more. Bye, guys.